Hello guys, welcome back. This is Mathrik. This is the first time you have come across with this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the new update. For today's lesson, we are looking at the conversion of binary to decimal. What comes into your mind when you hear the word binary and decimal? Binary, these are numbers like zeros and ones, which is called a binary. And for decimal, these are numbers which we count from 0 to 9. So let's get started with this question written down here, which are in base 2. So we are taking it into base 10. So for question 1, we have 0.1011 base 2. And for question 2, we have 101.0101. The powers before, the numbers before decimal, the powers here, it will be negative. And the negative starts from -1, not 0. 0, it is positive. 0, it is bigger than -1. But when going into left side, we are going to have positive powers. In which let's get started with question 1 for solution. Like I said, 0.10112. So let's convert this one into base 10. This is a decimal, which is made up of 10. So this is where you get this number. 1 multiplied by, because it is in base 2, so you multiply by 2 to the power -1. Negative start from -1, not 0. But when you are moving from 0, from this number, whole number, going left side, we start from 0. But from negative, we start from -1. Then plus this 0 here, 0 multiplied by 2 to the power -2, because we are moving from -1 to -2. Then plus this one, we get this one, which is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power -3. We are still moving. The last one, which is plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power -4. So remember that in indices, we have this kind of question, a to the power -1. When you want to take it into positive, it will be a 1 over a. So we have to take these numbers into fraction for us to calculate it well. In which 1 times the 2 to the power -1, it will be 1 over 2, plus 0 times the 2 to the power -1, it is 0, plus then 1 times 2 to the power -3, it is 1 over 8. Then plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power -4, it is 1 over 16. So let's try to look for a common denominator throughout here, in which is 16. 2 into 16, which is 8. 8 times 1, 8. Plus, we eliminate this 0, so we are going to here, 8 into 16, which is 2. 2 times 1, 2. Plus 16 into 16, 1. 1 times 1, which is 1. So when you add 8 plus 2 plus 1, we are going to have 11 over 16. And when you divide 11 divided by 16, the value which you get, it is 0.6875 base 10, because we are converting it from base 2 to base 10. So this is our answer for first question. So now let's try to find the answer for question 2. We have 101.0101 base 2. Like I said, when we are moving from the numbers, which is these numbers are whole number. When we are moving from this number going left side, the powers, it will be positive. But when we are moving the numbers before the decimal, the powers, it will be negative. But here we start from here, so this one, it will be power 0, power 1, power 2. So we are starting from this number here, so in which it will be 1 multiplied by this one here, multiplied by 2 because it is in base 2, multiplied by 2 to the power 2, plus we move to this number here, which is 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1, plus the last one, which is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Then plus, then we move into the numbers before decimal. The numbers before decimal, the powers start from -1, not 0, because 0, it is bigger than -1. So here, this is where you multiply 0 multiplied by 2 to the power -1, plus, let's take it here, plus we have this one, which is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power, because we started with -1, so it will be -2 here. Then plus, we get this 0, 0 multiplied by 2 to the power -3. Then we get the last number now, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power -4. So if you simplify this one, it will be 1 times 2 to the power 4, it is 4, plus this one here, it is 0. 0 times 0, 2 to the power 1, it is 0. So we move into this one. 1 times 2 to the power 0, any number to the power 0, it is 1. 1 times 1, which is 1 here. Then plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power -1, we are going to have 0. So we don't get that number. Then plus 1 times 2 to the power -4, we are going to have 2 to the power -2, we are going to have 1 over 4. Then plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 3, it is 0. So we don't get that answer. Then 1 times 2 to the power -4 is going to be 1 over 16. So now let's try to simplify, in which 4 plus 1, which is 5, over 1, plus 1 over 4, plus 1 over 16. So let's look for a common denominator here, in which it will be 16. This is our common denominator. 1 into 16, it is 16. 16 times 5, we are going to have 5 times 6, which is 30, 0. 5 times 1, which is so here we are going to have 80, plus, then 4 into 16, it is 4. 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 16 into 16, 1. 1 times 1, which is 1 here. So here we are going to have 85 over 16. And when we divide this number, the answer which we are going to get, it is 5.3125 to the base 10. So this is our answer for question 2. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the new update. See you next time.